I'm kind of nervous. They're excited. So I hope this works for you. This is our first run. If you can't make a lot out of it, we'll try it again tomorrow. Okay, so here's what we do every morning. All right, morning work. CJ, Chase, Gray, Trey. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're finished, step back and we'll get ready. Okay, while they are doing their morning work, would anybody like to review a multiplication song for me? Anybody feel good about that? Addison, you want to tell the class one of your multiplication facts with a song? Go ahead.
Can I do my 12?
Sure.
12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108. You're doing really great. 1, 21, 32, and 44.
Addison, pick a boy to do one of his favorite multiplication facts. Oh, you guys got to get in line up there so you can go over it. Quickly.
Brennan.
Brennan, which ones are we going to do?
7.
Here we go, sevens.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. I said my 7, saying sevens with my friends is really great. Yeehaw!
Okay, I think we're ready to go over our morning work. Pick up your pen. Boys that are in line, step back so we can see whomever is doing number 1. Read the problem and explain to us how you got it in your best teacher voice so they can hear.
9 times 5 is 35. I started with my 6. I knew that 6 times 5 is 30, and I knew that was not right, so I tried one more. I did 7 times 5, and it was 35.
Excellent.
8 times something was 32. I knew 8 times 40 was 32, so that was kind of easy. 8 times 9, 27.
Okay, how did you know those multiplication facts, Chase? What strategy did you use? You said, I knew that 6 times 5 was 30.
Skip count.
You skip count, so that's your favorite strategy. All right, Chase, go hand your pen to somebody that will do number 1 on the first one on Mountain Math, and then whoever did number 2 will take over. Quickly.
All I did was just like kind of shaded it in.
What was the question?
Color the quadrilateral.
Color the quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral, Chase?
A shape with 4 sides.
A shape with 4 sides. So, that is the one that Trey chose. Trey, tell me why you drew diagonals in there instead of shading it in. Chase,
Because it wouldn't waste the marker.
right?
So like that way we could have more ink.
And what do you do? Why do you do that on your own paper? Anybody know why it's easier to do diagonals? CJ?
So you don't have to shade it, and if you mess up, you don't have to.
Yeah, if you make a mistake, which we all do, if you're trying to erase something that is shaded really, really hard, then you'll never get it done. That makes it neat, but it's really easy to tell what you did. Okay, Trey, give your marker to somebody who's going to do a girl who's going to do a Mountain Math problem. Next. Read the problem and tell us how you got the answer.
And it says, Quinn earns $5 every hour she babysits. Quinn babysits for 6 hours. Then she goes out for dinner and spends $14. How much money does she have left? So, I underlined $5 every hour for 6 hours, and she spent $14. So, I multiplied 5 times 6, and I got 30, and then I took 30 minus 14, I got 16, and I had 16 left.
Okay, great. I like the way that was a 2-step problem and you figured out both steps. You dissected your problem, you underlined the important parts, showed your work on the side. Very good. Give your marker to a girl who's going to do a problem, and then CJ, explain your problem.
I done 4 times 4 because I know 4, so now I can 4, right? 4 was 16.
Good.
1 times 9. Everybody knows that 1 times anything.
Boom. What property is that? 1 times anything equals that number.
I did.
Very good.
And 6 times 3 equals 6, 12, 18.
Very good. How many of you got all 4 of those right today? Very good. If you have a pen and you were chosen to do Mountain Math,
Wait, CJ, you didn't give it to me. don't know what this one.
If you have a pen and you were chosen to do
Our table got chosen.
four mountain math problems, first person come up and do 3, next person do 4, next person do 5, and the last person will do 6. Erase the board first, girls. Okay, while they're waiting, while they are doing theirs, anybody else want to sing a multiplication fact song? Molly. 4s, go ahead.
16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Now set my fours. I'm so smart, I'm so good. I can tell you more.
Excellent. Molly, pick a boy to do another one. Quickly. Great. 7s. Ooh, we're happy with our 7s today. Here we go. Everybody do them?
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. I said my 7s, 87s with my friends is really great. Yeehaw!
Great, pick a girl to do a multiplication fact.
Jeremy, you're not a girl.
Delaney. 8. Here we go.
8, 16, 24, 32, and 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80, 88, 96. I said my 8s, there was no trick, just one switch on it down through. 8s are just so easy to do.
You guys are getting really good at that. Delaney, pick a boy to do one.
Okay.
12s. Here we go.
12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108. You're doing really great. 1, 21, 32, and 44.
Okay, Chase, pick a girl. Preferably one who hasn't gone, not somebody up front. Addie, what are we doing? 9s. I like it. Here we go.
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. I said my 9s, I said my 9s.
Pick up your pen to correct or check your mountain math. Whoever did number 3, explain what you had to do.
First I had to look at the problem.
Look at the problem, and it has 2 rows with 5 in each row.
And that equals 10. Now I did that.
So you had to do repeated addition, and she put 2 5s. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great, Reese. Good job. You may be seated. Whoever did number 4.
So first I counted all the dots. There was 12 dots in all. Then they divided it into 4 groups, and each group has 3 in each. Then it says repeated subtraction. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And there's 3 number sentences, and there's 3 down here, so that's...
Excellent. Not bad for a little girl who hasn't been taught how to divide yet, right? She just used what she already knew. She doesn't know how to divide, but she does know what? How to multiply, so she just took her multiplication and applied what she already knew. Very good, Charlie. Who did number 5? All right, Caroline, explain that.
Well, you had to look on the board, and you had to put times. And so 9 times 4 is 36. Pretty much tells you the answer right there.
Right, because the numbers you had to choose from, you had 9, 4, and 36, and you had to make 4 equations out of them. So your first one was 9 times 4 equals 36. What was your next one?
And then I had to switch 9 and 4, and then that equals 36.
What were you switching there? What are those called? Your
Factors.
factors. And when you switch your factors, you just flip-flop them. What's that called? What property? When you flip-flop them. Can anybody help her? Pick someone to help you.
It's the one that says flip-flop. It's the green one.
The green one. And what do we call that property?
Commutative.
Commutative. And we say, if it's commutative and you know it, flip-flop. If it's commutative and you know it, flip-flop. If it's commutative and you know it, and you really want to show it. If it's commutative and you know it, flip-flop. And Caroline, you said what we're flip-flopping is just our what? Very good. Now explain what you did after you ran out of multiplication sentences.
You just have to divide, and it's pretty easy to divide. So you just have to take the answer you had in 36, and so you take your 9 you had in 4, and then just flip-flop your factors.
Flip-flop. You just kind of made a fact family out of the multiplication facts you knew. Very good, Caroline. All right, Brennan. Number 6 says, what times 8 equal 56? You got 7. How did you get that? You're right, by the way.
I looked at the board, and I counted by my 7s.
7s? Would you guys like to do that with him and see if we come up with the same thing? Now, why do we hold our fingers up when we're counting?
So
we know what our factor is, right? Which factor we got that equal. We know one of our factors is 7. We're trying to find out what the other one is, or one of them is 8. We're trying to find out what the other one is to get to 56. So you could sing by your 8s. Here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40, 48, 56. What did we get to?
56.
56, and how many fingers do we hold up? 7. So what's our other factor?
7.
7. Okay, Brennan, good job. You may have a seat.
Nice job, Brennan.
Okay, Miss Watts, that's our morning routine. A little bit slower this morning because we're all a little bit nervous. As you can see, that took about 12 minutes. So that's what we do every morning, and that is a Common Core standard spiral review. So we do these every day. I'm going to also give you a shot of the Mountain Math bulletin board here so you can see that. Let me see if I can. Ooh. Okay. I hope you can see this. If not, I will send you a picture. Those are, did I have my hand over that the whole time, CJ? Oops, CJ told me I had my hand over that. So I will send you a picture. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.